Ma'am, I got 58 marks and I had attempted 85 marks question paper. Had I attempted 100 marks, definitely I would have got exemption in this subject. If this is the case, then lacking is writing practice. If your concepts are good, but then if you are not having writing speed, you will not be able to complete your paper in 3 hours. For that, this simple trick works is every day give yourself 10 minutes test. Say you have today completed house property, then pick up any past exam paper, just with stopwatch attempt one question of 7 marks, 10 minutes, and then do self correction. This will give you genuine wala confidence and the writing practice also. Another trick which also helps for the theory paper is record the important questions which you know are repeatedly coming in your own voice and listen to it while you're waiting for internals or traveling. These are the two tricks. Share it with your friends and let me know how you get the result.